How to use WhatsApp Web Multiple tab. To use the WhatsApp Web Multiple tab, first of all, you have to use the browser profiles. You simply have to click your profile icon in the top right corner of the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Then scroll to the bottom of the menu, then click the Add. Now simply select the Continue without an account and give the profile a name. Now navigate to the WhatsApp Web into the new profile window and select or simply take your primary phone. Tap on this three-dotted menu icon on the top right corner. Tap on this Add Account option. From here, tap on the Link Device option over here. This is my companion device, so that feature is not available. But if you are on your primary, you should be able to find that function over here. You simply have to tap on it, then proceed to scan QR code on your desktop screen, and you should be able to use WhatsApp on multiple devices. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.